Hi students, today we are going to learn about the illustrative problems from the unit 5 of problem solving and Python programming. Our first problem is to identify the voter's age and to check whether we are eligible to vote or not. Here I am going to write a program for voter's age validation. Initially I am importing my date and time. We already know date and time is the built-in function. So I am importing the date and time to calculate the current year. So I am asking my year of birth. I am saving it in the variable name year of birth. Since the year of birth will be the integer, so I am declaring the int data type and input in which year you took birth. And secondly, I'm asking the current year. I'm getting the current year by using the built-in function name date and time dot now dot year. Our current year will be displayed. And secondly, I am going to calculate current age. How we will calculate the current age means we will subtract the year of birth from the current age. By this, we will get the current age. Here I am printing my current age as your current age is. I am printing. And I am going to check whether the age is eligible to vote or not. We already know the voter's eligible age is 18. So I am using the if condition to check the condition. If current age is greater than or equal to 18, if the current age is greater than or equal to 18, we need to print you are eligible to vote. If it is not eligible, if it is not greater than or equal to 18, then it will print you are not eligible to vote. This is the program to validate the voter's age. See here, this is an output. Here I am asking in which year you took birth. The input will be 2000 and current age will be 22. Then it will declare we are eligible to vote. Okay. Then our second program is to validate the marks range. We have number of marks and we will calculate whether all the marks are in given range or not. We need to check whether the marks are satisfying the given range or not satisfying in the given range. I am asking the name of the student from the input. I am saving it in the variable name equal to input enter the student name. Next, I am asking the register number and saving it in the register number variable. Register number equal to input enter the student register number. Here we are in the 5th unit. So to handle the exception, I am using try except block, because if there is any error arise in between the problem, it will handle the exception. So I am using try except blocks. In the try block, I am asking the mark 1. Since the mark will be the integer data type, so I am asking mark 1 equal to int. I am asking the input enter the mark 1. Next, I am asking the second mark. Second mark is also the integer data type. So mark 2 equal to int enter the mark 2. Next, I am going to check whether my mark is in range, given range or not. My range should be 0 to 100. That is, our mark should be in between the range of 0 to 100. It should not exceed the range. So, I am checking if my mark is greater than 0 and less than 100, it will print marks are in the range. Since I am used to check the condition, I am using if else statements. In if else statements, I am checking both the marks. Marks 1 should be greater than 0 and less than 100, and also mark 2 should be greater than 0 and less than 100. If the condition is satisfied, it should print marks are in the range. Else, if the condition is not satisfied, we need to raise the value error. We have already studied the exception, types of exception. In one of the type of exception is value error. We need to check value error. We raise the value error that marks are not in the range. Finally, I am using the except value error as ERR. Finally, if all the condition gets satisfied, my output will be thank you have successfully checked. This is the program for marks range validation. Hope you understand. Thank you.